boyfriend. So I have to get ready to leave, and I'm in front of my window because this is like the best lighting. But I have to put shoes on, and I just curled my hair really quick, and yeah. This is the OOTD, so it's this new shirt that I got from Forever 21 the other day. It just has a record on it. And new jean shorts that I got from Aeropostale. And I'm gonna put on my jewelry, but other than that, that's it. I'm running a little bit behind because I was making TikToks. But my boyfriend wanted me to bring my camera to take photos and stuff. And believe it or not, this is his first time going to an aquarium, and I get to go with him. So hopefully he has a good time. I know he will. I know he will. And this is my favorite place on earth other than the beach. So if I'm gonna enjoy it, he's gonna enjoy it. Okay guys, we're on a hiking trail. We're hiking with our family who is in front of us with our dogs right now. And it's hot out here. It's really hot out here. But I had to stop and put her hair in a bun and put my hair in a ponytail, and we're way behind because we got caught back here. Wait, Blake, wait. No. Ready, go. Up on the rocks, Blake. Keep waving. Go. What I said earlier. Okay guys, we're back at home and we're about to go swimming in the pool.
Go!
Okay, I'm terrible at this and realized I never filmed an outro as I'm editing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a good mix of a bunch of things, but it was mainly on the date with my boyfriend, and I wanted to focus on the date. So I know we didn't talk a lot in the videos. I don't even think we talked at all, but that's because I wanted him to be able to enjoy the day and us just have our time together. So I just got videos of the fish, but I hope you guys enjoyed it and watch the next one.